Welcome to our lesson about spotlights. Let's go to the Photoworks tab. And let's expand the lighting folder. I've got a couple directional lights that are off and one ambient light that's on. Let's launch the preview window. Now let's insert a spotlight. We'll go back to the SOLIDWORKS Feature Manager tab, right-click on the Lights folder, and select Add Spotlight. A spotlight is basically a cone-shaped light beam originating from a single point. In the Spotlight Property Manager, we can specify its color. Let's stick with white. The ambience, let's leave as is. The brightness, let's adjust it up a little bit. Maybe about 0.4. Specularity next. And down below, we can adjust the light position. Let's take a look at this section. We've got two sets of XYZ coordinates. We use these to position the light. The first denotes the origin point of the light. The second set of coordinates denotes the target. In the graphic area, we can simply grab and drag the position coordinates and the Property Manager adjust accordingly. Let's drag this slider here to adjust the cone angle. I can do the same thing by grabbing and dragging this green circular line. Let's render now. Almost done. And let's go to the Photoworks properties. We've got a few options in the Basic section. Check here to turn the light on in Photoworks. Use Realistic Fall-Off, Keep Light, and Fog Light. Let's try the Fog Light option. Fog density, we'll leave at 0.25. Under Shadows, if Shadows On is selected, we'll be able to adjust the fog quality. The higher the shadow and fog quality, the slower the rendering will be. And let's render. Now let's uncheck Fog Light and render again. After we're finished, let's click OK. And this concludes our lesson about creating spotlights.